Alright guys, what's up? Before I go any further, I realized I didn't do an intro for this. So this is actually one of my good friends and customers, Subaru STI. It's a 2012 model. I actually helped him to build it by supplying him the parts from my company, Motor Gear JA. If you guys are not following it, make sure you follow it. I got a chance to ride along with him to check out the car. It was my first time seeing it after all of the parts were installed. So right now we're just going to jump into a quick little B-roll of it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Transportation by any means. Alright, pops. Alright, we're back again on the road. So it's a nice Friday evening. My brethren Adrian and Matthew gave me a call and they told me that they're starting a new detailing business, so they wanted me to come and check it out. So right now we're gonna go over there, check out the place. They said they have some cars lined up for me to see as well. And yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. Good? I'm good? Yeah, man. So this is the new spot. Alright guys, we're here once again. Today we're going to be joining my friends at the Auto Paddock, which is the newest car detailing spot in Kingston, Jamaica. Right now we're just going to go over, see exactly what their process is, hear a little bit about the business, and also talk a little bit about the cars. Alright, so stay tuned. Yoga! I'm hard at work here. As soon as they're done with the initial rinse off, we're going to talk to them and see exactly what the Auto Paddock has to offer. Right now, we have the infamous Hawkeye STI behind us. This is a 9-second car. Not sure of the horsepower rating, but we're going to take a look at it and get some details more on it. And also check out the Mercedes SL that they're detailing right now. Alright guys, so we're here now with my brethren Matthew. We're going to talk a little bit about what the Auto Paddock is and also his vision for the future.
Hi guys, I'm Matthew, half of a partnership. Partner's name is Adrian Constantine, and yeah, you're at the Auto Paddock today. Today we have 2 cars that got a detail. Well, one is just a wash, one is a paint correction.
Okay.
Yeah, we did a 1-step paint correction on this. This is a very popular car. A lot of persons may know it from Jam West, Burnham Field. It's a very fast road-going 9-second car actually. We just did a 1-step paint correction on this. We're washing this one, this Benz.
Okay.
It's 1992, 8-cylinder.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
So tell us a little bit about the Auto Paddock. What you guys specialize in?
Here at the Auto Paddock, we love cars. We're all car enthusiasts. The areas that we specialize in is 1, paint correction, ceramic coating. We do headlight restoration and interior detailing. We also wash cars on appointment basis only.
Okay.
On appointment basis only, yeah. That's pretty much it for the services. And I mean, each area has a deeper depth to it, as you can imagine. Not every car is the same, and all cars need attention. And that's what we're here to give.
Yeah.
This kind of business is really unique to Jamaica. You don't really have a lot of people, at least in this country, doing it right now. So it's definitely a market for people to take on. So happy that you guys are up to the challenge to doing it.
Definitely. That's why we're here.
Yeah, and it is kind of evolving now from where you would have normal hand washing or even automatic washes. Everybody's kind of getting a little bit more meticulous in how they want to keep their cars prepped, especially the more high-end cars, the faster cars. Everybody wants a little bit more extra detail, so it's good to see that, you know, people are using, you know, the 2 bucket method, paint correction, all of that. You want to just go over, start with the STI, and then we can see exactly what you guys have done.
Yeah. Called the Red Dragon, and yes, it spits fire. But as I said, very fast car. Something like this is way too fast for me on the road. But there are those that have a stronger heart. Yeah, this car is built by Pretty Blue Performance, as you can see at the back. A lot of preparation in the electronics and some of the hardware were done by Machines Gone Wild, and it's tuned by Land. This car starts as turnkey. There's nothing to it. Awesome car, well prepared. I guess we'll start it later on and you can hear what it sounds like.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, we try to keep this car clean for the owner and for Pretty Blue Garage. So before the race meet, the last race meet, before the whole COVID thing, we dolled it up, went to race, did very well, came back. They did a video shoot the other day with it for Jamaica Tuna. I guess you guys will see the video for that, and then we're cleaning it up now for them.
Okay, so nice. It's looking really nice right now. Like I can see my reflection in the paint. What did you do to it to get it to this level right now?
All right, great. So we washed it first. We did a decon wash. So we used brushes and decon soap. Went through all the crevices, chemically decontaminated the paint. So we used fallout remover, G-Technic fallout remover on it, and then we clay barred the car after rinsing off all of the chemicals. Clay barred the car, and then we use Rupes One Step Uno Protect to polish the car, give it some sheen and some protection.
Is it ceramic coated at this moment?
This car has not been ceramic coated.
Okay.
We'd love to. There are a few things on it that we have to sort out, and then we can look into ceramic coating it.
Okay.
But definitely that's on the list of things to have done to this car.
Do you know if this is the original paint?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, this is the original paint on the car. It's standing the test of time, and the car really looks good. The only thing cosmetic-wise that was done to the car that you'll be able to see is the aftermarket wheels, the pairing wing stabilizer, and the carbon fiber on the foot.
Yeah, nice.
Right. Outside of that, body is completely stock. It's a full interior. Nothing has been removed. And it's a spec seat. That's to be noted. That's why it has a good scoop.
Yeah. Alright, so you just got a little sneak peek of the engine. Yeah, we don't really want to get into too many details as to what the car is putting down, but as you can see, it's pretty clean, it looks pretty fast. Again, I'm going to try and see if we can get a pull in it, but we'll see. Right now, I'm going to head over to my next brethren, Adrian. You have any words for the camera?
How much? You have any questions for me?
Yeah. How did you come up with this idea to start this business?
You know, funnily enough, it started from a frustration of not being able to get my car washed properly. Spending 2, 3, 4, 5 hours at the car wash just to get the vehicle washed, and then they don't do it properly at all. So I was just like, I must be able to do this. So it's by learning about washing a vehicle and coming across detail and then starting to study and all that. And that's really where it came from. Generally, I'm a hands-on guy. My father was always the kind of person to have a power wash at home and thing. We wash vehicles at home ourselves. So it's really, if I don't want to wash it myself, I don't have anywhere to go. So I decided if I have this problem, many other people must have this problem. So all of this was born and we're here now. Kind of switched over to detailing, but a car wash.
Yeah, because originally it wasn't necessarily like this type of detailing.
It started as a weekend wash, open on Saturdays and Sundays, just doing a nice, good express wash. We had multiple guys working on the car at once, so 15-20 minutes you get your car hand washed and vacuumed, cleaned properly, with good products and stuff, and evolved from that into this. Just want to have the two of them growing and coming together.
I'm glad I could be here to see exactly what you guys have been doing so far. You guys want to tell everybody how to find you guys and how to contact you?
Alright, so you can find us on Instagram at Auto Paddock Co. Right here? Right here? Or right here? Right here? Alright, cool. autopaddock.co on Instagram, and you can email us for information to book an appointment for a consultation at info@autopaddock.co.
Alright guys, and there you have it. If you're looking for a little bit extra detail, you know who to go to. Alright, we're going to probably be featuring these people later on in the year. Hopefully I can get to come back to Jamaica and do some more features and have some more cars. Right now we're going to head over and see what they're doing with the Mercedes.
So right now we're going to doll up the Mercedes-Benz with bead maker. Alright, it's a spray-on detailer. It will add hydrophobic properties and protection on top of the paint. Right? So both of them are going to go around the car.
Finally get to see this thing in the sun, nice and gleaming. What do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Alright guys, and there you have it. As I said, this was just a quick little vlog. Just wanted to check out the Auto Paddock. As you can see, they're up and coming in the detail game. Make sure you guys give the Auto Paddock a follow on Instagram. I'm going to leave all the details below. And let me know what you guys think of this episode and also what you think of the cars. Alright, until the next episode, see you guys later, and it's been a good one. Alright, trip has finally come to an end. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Jamaica vlogs. You know, it was a really good experience. I got to see a lot of interesting people, a lot of interesting places, and some really cool cars. Hopefully I can come back here in the next 2 months or so. I really enjoy shooting down here. This is my home, this is where I'm from. And yeah, if you like the video, please smash the like button. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't as yet. Turn on the post notifications, and yeah, we're going to have some more content coming your way shortly. Alright guys, we're dropping videos every single week. Once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Yeah, this is it. Until next time, Jamaica, it's been real.